Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for coming today. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Revalina Rahmakurnia, and my friend is Liana Ayu Lestari Salim. We are from University of Bina Sarana Informatika. Today, we will present about understanding computers, the backbone of modern technology. This topic is very important because computers are central to how we live, work, and communicate in the 21st century.
Today's topic is relevant to all of us, especially students and future professionals, because we use computers every day. By the end of this talk, you will understand what computers are, their types, how they work, and their benefits and challenges. My presentation will take around 10 minutes, and I'll be happy to answer questions at the end.
In this part of my presentation, I would like to tell you about the types of computers. There are 5 main types. One is personal computers, laptops, tablets, Zephyr, and supercomputers. Each has a different purpose. For example, supercomputers are used in science for weather prediction and medical research. This leads directly to the next point, computer component.
As I mentioned before, computers are made of hardware and software. Hardware includes physical parts like the CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Software includes programs and operating systems that control the hardware. Let's now move on to how computers work.
A computer works in 4 steps: input, process, output, and storage. For example, when we type a document, we input text using the keyboards. The processor works with the data, and the monitor displays it. Finally, the document can be saved to a hard drive or USB. Now, Liana will explain about operating system.
Operating systems. Operating systems manage the computer's resources and allow us to interact with it. Popular OS examples are Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. According to a study, the International Journal of Computer Applications, OS design impacts system performance and security. Let's move on to the use of computer in our daily lives.
Computers are used in many areas. In education for online learning, in business for data processing, in healthcare for patient records, and in entertainment for games and media. These show how flexible and powerful computers are. Now, Liana like to highlight their advantage.
Advantages of computers. Computers work very fast and with high accuracy. They can store high amounts of data and help automate many tasks. Research from EAAA shows that automation with computers increases productivity across industries. However, computers also have some downsides, which I will now discuss.
Despite their benefits, computers can have negative effects. These include physical health issues from long use, overdependence, job losses due to automation, and privacy risks. A report from the Journal on Information Security emphasized the importance of cybersecurity education. This brings me to the conclusion of my presentation.
To sum up, Computers are essential tools that offer many benefits but must be used wisely. Remember what I said at the beginning? Computers are the backbone of modern life. So now it's our turn to use them for good, for learning, and for the future. Thank you for the listening. I'll be happy to take your questions now. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Let us introduce ourselves. We are Revalina Rahma Kurnia with student ID 63240147 and Liana Ayu Lestari Salim with student ID 63241180. We are students from University Bina Sarana Informatika. Today, we're going to present a topic titled Computer Hardware. This topic is very important, especially for those of us who are learning about how computers work and how hardware supports daily digital tasks. By the end of this presentation, we hope you'll gain a clear understanding of the main components of computers, hardware, and their functions.
Computer hardware refers to all the physical parts of a computer system, things you can see and touch it. It includes devices like the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, and more. Hardware is essential because it executes instructions provided by software. According to various computer science journals, the performance of a system highly depends on the quality of its hardware.
Types of hardware. There are 5 main categories of hardware: input device, output device, processing device, storage device, and communication device. This classification helps us to understand how data flows and its processes with a computer systems.
Input devices are used to enter data into a computer. Common examples include keyboards, mice, scanner, and microphones. Today, we also use advanced input technologies like touchscreen, voice recognition, and biometric sensor, which improve user interaction and accessibilities.
Output device. Output device allow computers to deliver information to users. These include monitors for display, printers for physical output, speakers for sound, and projectors for large-scale visuals. In modern education and workplace, output device support presentations, communication, and entertainment effectively.
The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is often called the brain of the computers. It processes instructions and manages operations using components like the control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and cache memory. Research in the IEEE Computer Society highlights how modern CPUs with multi-core architectures significantly enhance performance.
Storage device. Storage device hold data for short-term or long-term use. RAM and ROM are primary storage, while HDDs, SSDs, and flash drives are secondary. SSDs, as discussed in the Journal of Information Storage, are faster, more durable, making them popular in newer systems.
Communication hardware enables data transfer between computers. Examples include network cards, routers, modems, and Bluetooth devices. With the rise of cloud computing and online communication, these devices These devices have become essential in both personal and professional use.
Importance of hardware. Hardware is the foundation of all computer functions. Without reliable hardware, software cannot run effectively. High-quality components ensure faster performance, better multitasking, and longer system life. This is why hardware selection is important in education, business, and industry.